Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an eyebrow tutorial. I've already done one eyebrow off camera. It looks pretty good if you ask me. I don't think I've done a brow that good looking in a while. But yeah. I'm going to be taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. It might be number 12. I'm not sure. Everything just wiped off, you know? I'm not sure what brush it is. And I'm taking the NYX Tan Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go. So what I do is get some of the product from this, obviously, and then I tap, I guess you could say, just rub most of it on here. You take most of it off. It helps with making the brush flatter too. Start off by brushing the brow upwards, the brow hair upwards, and then I usually start off right here. I don't start off on the right in the front, because you don't want a blocked, you don't want a block eyebrow. Okay. Nobody wants a Minecraft looking eyebrow. Nobody. At least I know I don't. So yeah, that's good enough for the bottom. Now let's do the top. And I'm doing the same thing. So now I should get closer. So now I am doing the top, but brush your eyebrows down. Your brow hair down, so you can see the true shape, you know? So yeah. And again, you don't want to start on the very front. And then you want to brush them back up and fill them in. I honestly feel like for the filling in part, it doesn't really matter how much product is on the eyebrows, because you're kind of just filling filling in the outline. So now with a lighter hand, you kind of want to start going in here, kind of gently go up like this, and just, try filling that in right there. You could even go with a spoolie to try to fade it off, But yeah. And to set it, I use the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder. It's really jacked up. And then just go over that. And gently again. Go here. Oops. I went a little half. Okay, I need to stop because I made a little wrinkle. A little crease. Now I'm taking the Morphe M508 brush with the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium honey. Today I'm doing an eye look. I use this lighter shade, but if I'm just gonna do lashes, I just use my foundation shade. Now I'm taking this Urban Decay brush that came in the first Naked palette. I'm using this end to conceal the top, to clean the top part of my brows with my Kat Von D foundation in medium 62. In the shade medium 62. And, you know, for this brow, I just took some in my hand and you kind of just, can you see? I feel like I'm breaking my arm. You know, I'm gonna do some little bird moment. So, you just kind of take some on the brush and then like kind of clean off the excess on like the other side of the hand, you know? And I usually clean the sides first so I can make a straight line. I just cleaned the top of my brows and now I'm taking this Beauty Creations brush and I'm just blending out the center and the top. I smell Clorox. I better see bless your comments. Now I'm taking the sponge and just blending out the bottom. Okay, let me fix this part right here. Since you can tell there's a little bit of errors here, I'm just gonna go in with the powder. But right here, there's a little piece, so I'm just gonna clean that up. So, there you go. And that is how you get some snatched ass eyebrows. Honey. Oh wait, you can get toilet paper or tissue, doesn't freaking matter, to just like put it on top of the brow and just kind of sweep your fingers to take off the excess like product. Okay, see? Can you see that? This one had no product. And this one, this one barely had any. I blended everything out pretty well. And of course, you can go in with brow bone highlight, but since I'm about to go in and do an eyeshadow look, I am not going to do that just yet. I'm gonna prime my eyes first and then, you know, do all of that stuff. bye guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something from it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.